Hey everyone, this is Colin at Target Sports, your pro shop for shooters and hunters. Just a friendly reminder to clean your muzzle loaders, and all guns actually, but muzzle loader season just finished, so making sure that your muzzle loader is clean and empty before you put it away until next year is going to be imperative. Why do I say that? Well, um, we typically take in guns on trade all the time. Anything in here with a blue tag is previously loved. And when people come in and they want to trade or sell us a muzzle loader, the first thing we look at is to see if there's rust or pitting. And typically there is. That's one of the reasons why they're looking to sell them. So to prevent your gun from getting ruined or pitting the barrel or being difficult to disassemble and clean next year, go ahead and fully get after it now. Uh, Clean it as thoroughly as possible. And you want to make sure that you get rid of any powder residue or anything that's inside. You also want to make sure that you're unloading that muzzle loader. You don't want to be leaving the muzzle loader loaded, because if you get picking up the gun next year and you forget that you had left it loaded and you load it again, you're going to double charge, and that's going to create some issues for you. So what kind of cleaning solution should you use? If you're using Hodgdon 777, Hot Shot, or something that's very easy to clean, it should just be hot soapy water. If you're using something like a Pyrex or a standard muzzleloader powder, you want to get after it with a like a solvent and then finish it up with an oil or one of those kind of bio natural type finishes. So some cleaning products that I really like personally here at the shop are going to be made by a company called Seal One. Why do I like Seal One? I like Seal One because they are a food grade edible product. Not that I recommend snacking on this stuff, but what that means for you is that it's a vegetable base and it's not toxic to your body. So if you do gun cleaning and you've got chapped dry hands and it gets in your pores and it gets in your cuticles over a long period of time, it's not going to make you sick, which is great. If it does end up in your eye, your nose, or your mouth, it's not going to poison you, which is also good. Especially if you've got kids or pets or anything like that in your home, you want to do the best that you can to keep everyone safe, happy, and healthy. So along with that, this is another great product. I keep these in my range bag in my vehicle all the time after I do training. They are lead removing and heavy metal wipes, so it's the D wipe, and they're basically like a wet nap. And if you don't have access to cold soapy water to remove lead and again heavy metals, these D wipes do a great job of getting rid of the toxins and whatnot off your skin before you can make it to a bathroom and then wash with that cold soapy water. Again, we use cold soapy water over hot because hot opens up your pores and allows those toxins into your bloodstream. And again, we want to keep these toxins out. So cold water will shut down the pores, allowing us to just wash and clean and remove those items or that chemical efficiently. So this is Colin at Target Sports. Shoot straight. If you have any questions or you need guns clean, feel free to stop in and see us.